Wow, what a treat. We have a unique opportunity to take a close look at the Pagani Huayra 13, as if it's sitting right in our own garage. Just admire this masterpiece of elegance and luxury. It's absolutely out of this world. Every curve, every line, it's as if the car was sculpted by the wind itself. This machine doesn't just move, it breathes speed. Oh, it's impossible to resist the urge to reach out and touch it. Just look at those wheels, those massive brake discs. They're so huge they could probably stop a truck. Personally, I've never seen this car on the road. But that's not all. Wait until we take a look inside. You're gonna lose your mind. Oh, I just can't handle it. Now we're moving to the rear of the car, and I bet you've never seen such a luxurious exhaust system in your entire life. It's pure magic, like a Madonna of the automotive world. This is a masterpiece of the automotive industry. Just imagine the sounds that come out when this car roars to life. Now it's time to move into the car's interior. I'm sure you'll be pleasantly surprised. Personally, I only got to see it up close just now. There are so many buttons, it's like a plane cockpit. But I guess that makes sense. It's like an F1 car in here. It's even interesting to wonder what each one does. I hope you enjoyed the journey into the world of this incredible car and experienced what it would be like to have such a machine in your garage. Let me know in the comments which car you'd like to see in such detail next.